Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahdi English School. So, before we start with our video, I will discuss some points with you regarding our safety and health. So, first point is that you should stay indoors. You should not go out of the house without any important work. And I suppose your parents will be going out for some important work if they have. So, always please tell them to wash their hands at every hour during the day or keep a hand sanitizer with you. And if you go out, please wear your mask. Anyone who goes out should wear the mask, and as soon as you return, you should just clean your mask with hot water or with the Dettol. Please take proper precautions and eat hygienic food. Don't eat the food sold outside. Please eat the food which is prepared at home. Please take proper precautions and keep neatness and surrounding around you clean. So our today's thought: the more you read, the more things you know. The more you learn, the more places you will go. So what is the meaning of this thought? That if you read more, you will come to know more things. See, the girl is reading over here. So same way, you should also read books, new books every day. Not only your textbooks, but you should read story books and any some other books which are available. Read the books, and when you read, you will get more and more knowledge. You will come to know new things by reading. And the more you learn, the more places you will go. So you will learn more and you will visit many places. And when you visit so many places, you will again learn so many new things when you meet new people. So reading is a very good habit. Please cultivate the habit of reading. Always try to read at least one page every day. So the topics which we are going to cover today, the chapter 3 that we have started already, animals that help us, that is the name of the lesson. So first we will have the revision of the previous video. In previous video what we have done, we will just have a glance at that, and we will learn about animals that help us in many ways. So many animals are there and they help us in so many different ways. So that we will see after having the recap of the previous video. Let us begin. So in the previous video we had started the lesson number 3, animals that help us. In that we had learned about domestic animals. Let us have a look. We had learnt the names of the animals. On the screen there are some images. Like we had started with the names of the animals. We had identified the animals with their names. See, which is this animal? This is a sheep with white color, soft fur. This is a horse, long and strong, brown color horse. Then we had seen 2 more animals, cow, black and white cow over here, and hen gives us eggs. All these different animals we had seen in the previous video. Then we had seen these points. There are different types of animals in the world, right? So many animals are there. Some animals live in forest, some live in farms. So some animals are kept at homes and farms. We can keep some animals in our house. Then we had learned what are domestic animals. Animals such as cows, horses, goats, sheep, ducks and hens can be tamed. Means we can give them training and we can teach them all the things. That is called tamed. And we can keep them in the house or in our farm or garden. Animals that can be kept at farms or homes are called domestic animals. So these animals, cow, horse, goat, etc., we can keep them in our house or in the farm, and that's why they are called domestic animals. We make homes for some animals we keep. So we can also make their small house like dog or cat, and they live inside that small house. Then we had seen different examples of domestic animals. We had seen pig, rabbit, cow, chicken, horse, donkey, sheep, goat, dog, cat, etc. All these are domestic animals. We can either keep them in our house or at the farm. Then what had we seen? We had seen these cows eating grass. I told you cow is a holy animal, and we also call the cow Gai Mata, and cow gives us milk and lot of things. Then we had seen horse, that horse lives in a stable. The house of the horse is called stable, and there are many different colors of the horse. After that we had seen goats, that goats have white and brown this soft fur, and it is also helpful in many ways. Then we had seen sheep. Some sheep are wild and some are domestic. We can keep the sheep in the farm, and some are wild which we cannot keep in the farm. The fur, the skin, outer part of the sheep is also very helpful. After that we had seen ducks. Can you see here white colored ducks? So ducks are also of different types, and here are the beak. This is called the beak of the duck, with which it will eat the fish. After that we had seen hens. We had understood what are hens. There are different colors of the hens. They have a beak, right? And this red color upper part of the head. Hen lay eggs, and it is called the mother of chicken. So this much we had seen in the previous video. Now let us continue. So now today what have we to learn? See, chapter 3, animals that help us. Let us learn about animals help us in many ways. So how do animals help us? Today we will see that points where animals help us. See, animals help us in many ways. First, we get milk from cows, goats and buffaloes. So where do we get milk from? We drink milk, right? We get milk from cows, goats and buffaloes. These animals give us milk. We drink milk to grow strong and healthy. Why do we drink milk? Milk gives us lot of energy. We will be healthy, and our bones, our body will be strong if you drink milk every day. See, these are different animals: buffalo, cow, goat, etc. We get milk from all these animals. Animals have made human life very easy by providing with many food, medicine, clothing, etc. So how do animals help us? They give us food, they give us medicine, and they give us clothing, means clothes. Animals' hair can be used to make blankets, right? Do you know the blankets which we wear at night while it is winter season? We use blankets to cover our body. We get that blankets from animals. Jackets, the jackets that we wear, that is also from animals. Jackets help us to keep ourselves warm in winter. When it is very cold, very chilling outside, we wear jacket and go outside, and that jacket also we get from animals. Many animals are there like ox, bullock, donkey, camel, etc. are used to carry load from one place to another. So there are different animals like bullock, donkey, camel. They are all used to carry the load. When you want to carry something very heavy and you want to go from one place to other place, then all these animals will help you. If you put something on the back of donkey or camel, it will take from one place to other place, and that is how these animals are going to help you. We get milk from these animals. All these animals which you can see, they also give us milk, and different types of food we get from these animals. And these animals also give us milk. Do you know that? Milk is the daily essential food for children and adults. All of us, we need milk. Why? See, all the children, they drink milk every day. Also the adults, they need tea or coffee. So how is the tea or coffee made? With the help of milk. Without milk, we cannot prepare tea. And children drink milk every day. It gives them energy. So we get milk from all these animals. And milk is obtained as a part of our daily diet. It is our daily diet, and as I told you, we can make tea, coffee, ice creams, chocolates, sweets, etc. All these are the products which we get from milk. So without milk, we cannot prepare ice cream, we cannot prepare chocolate, We cannot prepare tea or coffee. And it is obtained from animals like cows, buffaloes, goat, camel, etc. All these are the animals that give us milk. It is highly recommended by doctors as it can be easily digested by people of any age group. Milk makes us strong. So always try to drink milk every day. One glass in the morning and one in the evening. It will make you stronger than you are. So all these are the animals that gives us milk, and milk should be drunk every day. It will make your body stronger. Now see, products we get from milk. We get all these products from milk. So let us read. Milk is used to make things such as butter, cheese, ghee and curd. We can make all these things from milk. We can make butter, cheese, ghee and curd. These things are called milk products. So all these things, see which are the things that we get? We get all these things from milk, and these things are called milk products because we get all these things from milk. So we call them milk products. So let us underline. What have we seen? We have seen milk products. So what is the spelling? MILK, milk, PRODUCTS, milk products means the things that we get from milk. So which are the things we get from milk? We get butter, cheese, cream, yogurt, ghee, condensed milk, dried milk, ice cream, buttermilk, ghee, malai, lassi, paneer. All these are the products that we get from milk. See, butter is given over here. Do you like butter? It is very yummy. Butter can be applied on bread and eaten, and it is very delicious breakfast. It is also very healthy. So butter, that is also the product that you get from milk. Without milk, we cannot get butter. Then what can we get? We get cheese. Right? We get cheese from milk, and cheese is also widely used because people use cheese for sandwich and even for some recipes they use it in the sabji, and cheese makes it even more delicious. This is one more product that we get from milk. Then we get ghee. Do you like ghee? See, what is the use of this? It is also applied on chapati. When your mother cooks chapati, sometimes see, you might have seen that she applies ghee on that and then she gives you. It will increase the energy in your body. There are different types of ghee. So it makes your body very strong, and it is also applied on chapati, on roti. And where do we get this from? We get this product from milk. Always remember, milk is important if you want all these products. Then we get curd. Can you see over here? This is curd, and we get this product from milk. This is one more advantage of milk. Without milk, you cannot get curd. And this is also something which is used every day. Like, what do you think? What is the meaning of curd? Have you heard this word curd? C-U-R-D, curd. Do you know the meaning of this? It is dahi. It is called dahi in Gujarati, and people eat curd mostly every day. Also buttermilk, the chach that we drink, that is also something that we get from milk. So this is curd used every day in our life. Then milk products. See, these are different milk products that we get from milk. Let us see. See, these are the different products that we get from milk. Without milk, we cannot get all these products. So let us see which are the products. See, yogurt, cream, cheese, butter, ice creams, milk powder, milkshake, condensed milk, lassi, ghee, that is also a type of butter, ghee. Then paneer. Do you like paneer sabji? Right? We eat paneer sabji like paneer makhan wala, paneer kadai, etc. We get paneer from milk. Without milk, you cannot eat the sabji made with paneer. Then cheese is given. Then whipping cream is given. Milk sweet, butter, then buttermilk, the chach, as I told you, buttermilk also used every day, and curd, like I told you, dahi. All these are the products that we get from milk, and without milk we cannot get any of these products. So you just imagine how much important milk is in our life. So one more important thing, we get eggs from birds such as hens and ducks. So have you seen eggs? Do you eat eggs? Yes, we eat eggs, right? And where do we get eggs from? We get from hens or ducks. So these are the places where we get from egg. We get it from hen or duck. Have you seen different colors of the eggs? Yes, we can see different colors of the eggs also. See, eggs are nutritious. They are very tasty. It gives us lot of energy, and it is easy food for us and for our family. Easy to cook. Eggs are full of things our body needs. Eggs give us a lot of energy, and it has everything that our body needs to grow. If you want to become strong and young, then you should eat eggs. Eggs are good for our brain. Our brain function will also improve with the eggs. It helps protect us from memory loss. Means if you eat egg, then your memory, you will remember all the things easily. Like you are learning question answers, you are learning FBs, CF, everything you have to remember in your mind. So eggs will help you to increase your memory power. Eggs are also used in vaccines. When someone is not well, then also eggs can be used, and when the egg is eaten, then person gets energy to fight against the diseases. So what are the different benefits of eating eggs? See, they will make our bones very strong, our heart and our eyes. It is also good for our heart and our eyes. And it gives us beauty, and our hair will be strong. The root of our hair will be strong. As I told you, it is healthy for our brain. It is healthy for our nails also, the nails which we have on our fingers. Good source of energy, and it will give you a lot of energy to work the whole day. If you eat just 2 eggs, you can just work whole day with lot of energy, and it will help in maintaining very good weight. Those who have less weight, they can eat eggs and their weight will increase. And it will also improve your mood. When your mood is not good, you can eat eggs and it will change your mood. Eggs are also called mood improving product. Eggs are full of protein. We get protein from eggs. So we should eat eggs. And it also contains vitamin B12. Eggs gives us vitamin B12, which is very important for our body. And recipes, do you know the recipes that are made with the help of eggs? We can make egg curry, egg masala gravy, egg roast biryani, egg fried rice, egg burji, egg butter masala, egg omelette, egg paratha, etc. So many different things are there which we can make with the help of eggs. So this is how some birds lay eggs. As you can see, different colors of eggs are there which are laid by the birds. Then one more important thing, we get honey and wax from beehives. Beeswax is used to make candles. So do you know what is honey? We get honey and wax from beehives. So what is beehive? See, this is beehive, the place where honeybee lives. All the honeybee are together, that is beehive. Honey being produced by the bees contains very important vitamins and minerals. So this honey, very sweet honey which we get from honey bees, it is very much healthy for our body. It contains so many vitamins and minerals which our body needs to be very healthy. The honey bee is the only insect that produces food eaten by man. Only one insect. There are so many insects, right? Ant, etc. But only one insect is there, that is honeybee. And honeybee is the only insect, means no other insects give us food. Only honeybee give us food, and that is honey. This is called honey. And do you know something? Bees have 5 eyes and 6 legs. These honeybees, they have 5 eyes and 6 legs. Did you know that? Then what are the benefits of honey? What are the benefits of this product? Have you eaten this? So if you have eaten this, it is very good. You must eat honey. Beautiful, and it is healthy for skin. It will also make your skin glow, and your memory power will be good. It will improve your mind, and it will also improve your burns. When you get hurt somewhere, at that time also honey is very useful. It will treat wounds. As I told you, if you fell down and if you get hurt, if you have fallen down, you can use this honey, and it is also very beneficial for that. It will improve your digestion. When you eat something, your stomach aches, your stomach pains, at that time also honey will improve your stomach, will just remove the stomach ache from your body, and it will improve the digestion. As I told you, it will give you lots of energy. It is remedy for cough and cold, especially right now. See, you might be feeling cold sometimes because of rainy season, and you also might be coughing. Some people have the problem, they cough. So for cough and cold, honey is the best thing that can be eaten. It is the best remedy. Those who have cough and cold, they must eat bit honey every day. It is natural hair skin care. Your hair, if you want to keep your hair quality good, black and strong, then you must eat honey. See, this is beehive. All the bees are over here, and this is how we get honey from over here. Lot of honey we get from here. This is beehive, the place where the honey bee lives. Then we can see this beehive, and from this how we get honey. We keep it in this jar, and how beautiful it is, how tasty it is. Just like the jelly, it is very soft and very yummy that we get from honey bee. Then do you know this wax? What is beeswax? So beeswax is a natural wax. It is produced by honey bees. This wax, how do we make these candles and all these things? That is also possible because of these honey bees. They give us wax. And what is the usefulness of this wax? Do you know this usefulness? This is we get from honey bees, and beeswax has been used as plastic, waterproof things, then metals, glass, and as polish for wood and leather, for making candles, lip balm, etc. So what can we make with beeswax? We can make polish. You know, boot polish. We polish our shoes, right? Boots. So how do we make that polish? With the help of beeswax. And we can also make candles with the help of beeswax. And lip balm. Some people apply balm on lip so that lips will not be dry. So that also we get from beeswax, which comes from honey bee. What are the benefits of beeswax? Do you know the benefits? See, it will relieve your pain. When it is paining somewhere, you can have this. Then it protects the liver. It is very good for our liver. Your skin will be very soft, and the air, it will purify the air around you. These are all the benefits of beeswax, and which is got from honey bee. So we get two things from honey bee. What did we see? We get honey, we get wax. Then let us look ahead. One more important thing that we eat, we get from milk. We get meat. So see, we get meat from goats, chickens, fish. So all these animals, they give us meat, and many people eat meat. So do you know where do we get meat from? Have you ever imagined how do we get this meat? From goats, chickens, and fish. All these are the animals that give us meat. So do you know what is meat? Have you seen this meat which we get from goat, chicken, and fish? This is meat. This is food which is eaten by people. This is called food. Meat is animal flesh that is eaten as a food. So from these animals, when these animals are cut, we get meat from these animals. We get meat from chickens, rabbits, pigs, goat, buffalo, etc. All these animals give us meat. See, we can see different types of meat on your screen. Can you see which is eaten by people, which come from different animals? So what is the benefit of meat? It triggers memory. It will make your memory very sharp mind it will make. It will make your bones very strong. Your muscles, your bones will be strong, and so you will be very strong. Meat is an excellent source of protein. We get lot of protein from meat. Excellent source of protein. Then it helps to build and repair muscles, as well as it helps in maintaining hair, bones, skin and blood. So it is good for our hair, for our bones, for our skin and also for our blood. There are so many advantages of meat. Do you know different types of meat like chicken meat? So why is chicken meat good? Do you know why chicken meat is good for us? It is good source of protein. As I told you, protein are the building blocks for our body. It will build our body, it will build our muscles and give lot of energy. So chicken meat is very good source of protein. It is rich in vitamins and minerals. It will also give so many vitamins and minerals to our body, and it is also good for weight loss. Then what are the different recipes? Do you know different recipes that we can get from meat? We get meat gravy, chicken curry, chicken tikka masala, butter chicken. Then what else? We get chicken biryani, right? Then tandoori chicken. After that, all the things which we get from chicken, and we can also get energy from fish meat. Have you seen fish meat? See, from fish also we get meat. It will give us a lot of energy. It is very good for our skin. It will give lot of other benefits, like it will improve our brain, healthy for brain. This meat of fish, when you cut it, we can eat this, and it will also help in weight loss. It is also good source for proteins. So lot of proteins we can get from fish. And which are the other things we can make with the help of fish meat? We can make fish curry, we can make fish tikka, fish biryani. All these are the different things that we get from fish meat. Now let us learn some difficult spellings that we have come across today. See, this first one, Buffaloes, buffaloes. Buffaloes, buffaloes. Then which other spellings we have seen? Butter, cheese, ghee and curd. So what are the spellings? Butter, butter, cheese, cheese, ghee, curd, curd. One more is there, milk products. So what is the spelling of products? Products, milk products, the things that we get from milk. Then we had seen two more spellings like honey and wax, which we get from honeybee. See, we get it from beehive where honeybees live, like HONEY, honey, this is honey, and wax, 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 this is wax. We also call beeswax. It is very useful for making candles, BEES WAX, beeswax. And these are different things which we get from wax. We can make shoe polish, we can make candles, and we can make so many other things with the help of beeswax. So let us recall what have we seen today. Animals help us in different ways. We have seen animals like goats, cows, buffalo, they give us milk, and we get milk from all these animals which are there. The pictures are shown on your screen. And what do we get from milk? We get butter, cheese, ghee, curd. These are called milk products. And we have seen images of different products which we get from milk, and we have seen all the images together. Then we get eggs from hen and duck. Different types of eggs, different colors of eggs we have seen. Then we have seen that we get honey and wax from beehive, honey bees. Then very useful honey and very useful wax for making candles and other things. Then we have seen that we get meat from goat, chicken, fish, etc. These are different types of meat. We make it from goat, chicken, fish, etc. These are very useful and give us proteins and vitamins. So in today's video we have learned chapter 3, animals that help us. In that we have seen what are the usefulness, how do animals help us, what do they give us, and we have understood the importance of the animals. So till then, goodbye and have a blessed day, and we'll meet with a new video.